What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to unbox my new smartphone cinematography rig. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to unbox is the SanDisk 32GB MicroSD card with SD card adapter. I'm having to reshoot this scene because the last time I shot it, I had a fan going in the background and it sounded terrible, so the next shot is going to be me in a different set, which I shot a few days ago upstairs, and now I'm downstairs in my bedroom, which is where my desk is now. So that's why the scene changes and my outfit changes. Alright, so as you'll probably notice, we're in a different location and I'm wearing a different shirt because I recently moved my desk setup once again, because I'm kind of figuring out like my setup while my main studio is still in the midst of construction, but that'll be ready hopefully by the end of the summer. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to take a look at is the Joby GorillaPod, which you can get on Best Buy's website or Amazon for around 70 bucks. We're going to be taking a look at the 1K version, which holds mirrorless cameras and smartphones, obviously. And yeah, let's take a look at this. Alright, let's unbox this. So, this is the 1K kit, as I said. So it's got a proprietary ABS plastic sockets, as you can see in the box, sort of. Flexible wrapping legs, rubberized ring and foot grips, and it has a 1/4 thread like standard tripods, which is always good, so you can attach any tripod mount that you want to this. Yeah, let's get this open. So you just get rid of this plastic right here, slide this open, this off, take this thing out. I don't know what this is for. It comes in the box for whatever reason. If you know what this is for, let me know down in the comments down below, because I'm not 100% sure. And then there's also some instructions in there, but we don't need to look over those. This is pretty darn simple. Yeah, so here it is. So if you've spent any time watching YouTube, like any tech YouTubers like iJustine or Casey Neistat is probably the most famous tech YouTuber to ever use this, but a lot of people do it. Nate Shot, iJustine, Casey Neistat, all kinds of people use them. They're pretty much like the most popular bendy tripod out, and one of the only like high quality ones as far as I know. And I'm going to be shooting videos on my phone. I figured I needed to pick up a GorillaPod to officially become a true YouTuber. Yeah, so that's the Joby GorillaPod 1K kit. Alright, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the Rode VideoMic Me, which is a smartphone directional microphone made by the same company that makes the microphone that I'm using right now. They make pretty great mics. And also, they're pretty popular with vloggers and tech YouTubers. Yeah, so this just came in the mail today. So, yeah, from B&H, because Amazon was not accepting my card for whatever reason. Yeah, so let's get this opened up. Alright, so here we go. It's probably not safe. Always cut away from yourself when you're using a knife, especially one like this. Just pretty sharp. Pretty sweet design though. I'll have this link down below if you want to check it out. It's one of my brother's knives, but I use it for unboxings. Pretty awesome. Slide that open like that. And in here is the mic. And it's just like proper box. Put this big box to the side. Yeah, so here it is. It's pretty exciting. So it just connects right to your phone via the headphone jack or via your included adapter if your phone doesn't have a headphone jack. And this works with iPhones and iPads and Android phones. Yeah, let's get this open. You'll just peel this. So this includes a wind sleeve in the box, which is always a good look. And if you want to buy an extra one, they cost 23 bucks, I believe, on Amazon. I'll have a link down below in case you want to have a backup in case it breaks or gets dirty or whatever. So I get this open. Alright, so here it is. So I got that plastic off after some struggles. Yeah, let's get this open. So in here, just nothing in there, and then you get this little plastic box within the box with some stuff in it. So this is the mount that you use to attach the microphone to your phone. That's just a little rubber piece. Clips right on. Let's take it out of here. There we go. Beast mode that bag open. Throw that over there. Yeah. So here it is. Here's the microphone with the wind sleeve already on it. This looks really funny if you're walking around, but it works. So let's slide this off. Yeah, there it is. Super small. Microphone there, directional, so wherever you point it, that's where it'll pick up the audio. Aux port to plug into your phone. I'm just gonna focus up so you can see that. Doesn't want to focus right now, but yeah, so that plugs right into your phone. And then you can plug in earbuds to here. Yeah, so you can do playback without unplugging your mic. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alright, so I'm gonna go test this out. Test the microphone, test the tripod. Got my nice little vlogging rig. This looks pretty good. I'm excited to try this out, and then I'll come back and let you know how this sounds and show you some test audio. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so I just got back from testing out the GorillaPod and my phone and the mic all together, and then let's hear how it sounds with the mic on. Alright, so I'm outside right now. I've got the Rode VideoMic Me on my phone with the GorillaPod, and let me know how it sounds in the comments. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so the next clip I'm going to show you is same distance away on the GorillaPod and same phone and everything, just with no Rode VideoMic Me attached. It's just the straight audio out of the phone. So let's check that out. Alright, so I'm holding the phone and the tripod same distance away, and this is just straight out of the Samsung Galaxy S8 with no external mic. So let me know if you can tell a difference down in the comments down below. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so in this video we talked about the SanDisk 32GB MicroSD card, which I have in my phone right now. And then we talked about the Joby 1K GorillaPod, which is right here. And then finally we talked about the Rode VideoMic Me, which is this under this puff ball right here. And then we tested out the audio quality. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, so this I think the setup's gonna work pretty well. And then one thing I forgot to mention, this tripod mount that I'm using is from Mutter, but I'm hoping to get a Manfrotto one or another one with a hot shoe mount on it so that I can attach my light that I have right here. That's lighting, it's helping light this video. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.